everyone, how you doing? It's your girl Ali from Home Job Success with Ali, and we're here today with another hairstyle. Yes, I'm going to be showing you how I basically got this lovely hairstyle done. And guess what, guys? It is from using the hair from the previous video. I reused that hair. I washed it, conditioned it, and then I just give it some shimmer and reused it. So I'm going to be walking you through the process of how I achieve this. But before I do so, it's now time for Big Up segment. All right, we want to big up 4C Rush. You just head on over to her page and go ahead and like, comment, share, and also subscribe to her. All right, but I'm not going to be keeping you too long right about now because I know why you're here, for the hair. That sounds good. I'm going to jump right into achieving this lovely mohawk hairstyle. Let's go. Let's get into this hairstyle. I am excited. I've never tried reusing a synthetic hair before, but I think they can work. All right, so we're now going to go into this hairstyle. Let's see how it's gonna turn out. My hair is already washed. I just washed it. Don't be scared now, guys. Don't be scared. In it, I have the contour leave-in conditioner. I have that in my hair now, and I went in and I used some coconut oil. And on hand for this hairstyle, I have some elastic bands. I might use the Shine and Jam, and I have some Eco Gel. So we're going to get into this hairstyle right about now. Alright, now that my hair is loose, Okay, so that was basically it, guys, as to how I accomplished this hairstyle reusing the hair from the previous video. If you loved it, just let me know. It's the mohawk hairstyle which I tried, and it was using the reused synthetic hair there from the last hairstyle. So thank you for being here. If you love this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, let me know in the comment area what you think about it. Remember, guys, to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm your girl Ali from Home Job Success with Ali. See you on the next video.